Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a story about someone that was trying to monetize his YouTube channel, and he made a very big mistake. That is what I will be sharing with you in today's video, so that when it's your time to get monetized, you won't make the same mistake. Because before he was able to correct it, it was not easy, it was not funny. You get? So sit down and relax, watch this video, because you are going to learn from it. So guys, I believe that in case you are watching this video, you're not yet monetized, I believe that your prayer every day is, God, I want to monetize my channel, let my video go viral. That is every YouTuber's dream. We want to start making this money on YouTube. That is our dream. Now guys, there is what we call Google AdSense. If you are trying to monetize your channel, you know you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So when it's complete, like for me, I already have my 1,000 subscribers. So if I go to that my end, that place that they wrote in your YouTube studio, you won't find the 1,000 subscribers there again. So what is now remaining there is the 4,000 watch hours. They are just waiting for me to complete it, so they will remove it and tell me to apply for monetization. You get? So you know you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to monetize your YouTube channel. And once it's complete, you will be faced with the option to monetize. Now, you know what this guy did? He started applying for the monetization. It's a process, step by step. You have to be careful when doing that. And he used to have a YouTube channel which he used somebody's video, and he had a copyright on that video. He did not know. You get? So in the process of him monetizing that YouTube channel, trying to monetize that first YouTube channel that he was doing, he was asked to create a Google AdSense account. You get? And he created a Google AdSense account. So it was after he waited for like 2-3 days, YouTube now sent him a message that he is not eligible to monetize, that he's not qualified. You know that kind of thing now, because of reused content. So they did not accept the monetization. You get? So that was how he created another YouTube channel. He started uploading videos, and today he was able to monetize the channel. So when he got to that step, when they will ask you, you have a Google AdSense account, is either you say yes or no. So do you know what this guy clicked? He clicked no. You get? So what am I trying to say? First of all, I know some people don't understand what Google AdSense is all about. If you are trying to monetize your YouTube channel, you must link your Google AdSense to your YouTube channel. You get? So a Google AdSense is a free program that allows publishers to make money by displaying ads on their videos. It can even be games, their websites, their videos, whatever it is. So it's a free program. So all you just need to do is to create the account. So do you know the mistake he made? When he was asked, do you have a Google AdSense account, he went and he clicked no instead of yes. Because he already created a Google AdSense for that first YouTube channel, he was supposed to use that Google AdSense for this same one. That is one mistake that a lot of people are making when it comes to monetizing their YouTube channel. Just the way we have Google AdSense, that is also how we have BVN. You know your BVN. When you link into different accounts, you can link one BVN. You can link one BVN to different bank account. You get? So that is how Google AdSense is. Even though you have 5 YouTube channels, you are supposed to use only one Google AdSense. If you start creating different Google AdSense, that your account will be having, that your YouTube channel will be having problem. You get? So it was really tough for him. It was really tough for him. So he reached out to me, and we were trying to find solution. You get? He was sending email to YouTube, messages to them through their support inbox. You get? Their support, what do they call it again? Support chat something. Their chat inbox. He was trying to reach out to them through their chat inbox, trying to rectify the issue. You get? It really took time, because if you post a video, though he's already monetized, they accepted him into the YouTube partner program, but he was not able to play ads on his video. He was not able to put ads on his video. It was really a struggle. You get? So that you have been trying to monetize your YouTube channel for years, for months. You have been able to reach the monetization threshold. So why don't you carefully go about the process? Watch videos. This is my advice for you. Watch videos so that you'll be able to learn how other people do it. You get? How other people apply for monetization. You have to learn so that you will not make mistake. So guys, if you are applying for your YouTube monetization, all you need to do is make sure you click on no if you don't have any Google Access account. So if you already have a Google Access account, you will click on yes, you have, so that they will direct you on the next step to take. You get? So don't make mistake, ask questions. Person wey ask questions, e no dey law. So make sure you always ask questions. You get? Always ask questions. Don't do as if you know it all. No, nobody knows it all. Always ask questions. I believe you have been able to learn one or two things from this video. Please guys, if you did, please like this video, share this video, and drop a sweet comment for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.